All right, this week in the Mr Landcruiser yard walk around, we're going to start right here. Look at the wheels on that. It's better than the whole car. This one, it'd actually be nice when it leaves. It's got gas, it's got exhaust leaks and a few other things. Young fellas bought it into us. We're getting it tip-top ready for the road again. This is my beast. Nothing else behind us. It needs a wash. This is a wreck. This one, 3F. Anyone needs some parts, hit us up now. We've got multiple 60 series wrecks here, interiors, exteriors. We're not really wrecking as many 40s, none anymore, because everyone wants 7 grand for a wreck. So we're getting the 60 still, using the parts for the 60 series guy and the 40 series guy. Right behind me, we'll start here actually. Look at this. This one is in for power steer. Now, it's getting a few other little things done this afternoon to it, but otherwise it's done. Richard and the boys have put power steer in here, and it drives like a treat. It's already got a few bells and whistles. We've already done a walk around on it. You'll find this one on the internet. The visor, we sold out of them the other day. We buy them at 10, they last for about a day. What else is beside us? This one, last time I did a yard walk around, I said, if you own this, let me know who you are. We still haven't talked to the owner yet, but it's an insurance jobby. She's been squished when you take a closer look. This one's been rear-ended and punched through the cab, punched the doors. So it's in Mr Landcruiser for a quote, and we'll see what Shannon say, hey? I'll quickly dart over here. G'day, Luke. We haven't touched it yet, but we will. Just give us a few hours. Luke's just rolled in with electrical gremlins. We're just going to sort him out now, and he's going to rebook and wait. There's a wait list to get in here, but we'll get him back on the road ASAP. Make sure it's charging and he can utilise the key again. And then we're going to bring it back. I might do a walk around while it's here, actually. Old regular Tim. He's multiple things. We're putting in a brand new windscreen in the rear and found some rust. So we thought we can't put it back together. Let's address the rust and then some mechanical and what have you. The big 12H T-Beast. Look at this. Might look nice on camera, but she is rooted, and I mean rooted. So we're going to put the 12HT in a 40 series that's coming up from South Australia. So when it leaves here, it'll have probably the disc brake, power steer, the 5-speed, all the backing plates and stuff, and I'll have the 12HT. When the truck dropped this one off, maybe I did, maybe I didn't, jump in it and go for a little burl, and she's a beautiful engine. Mine, we had ACL here today. ACL removed all my loom, well, started removing my loom, and Richard and Claude from ACL Looms are going through it. Brand new loom. Here we come. Jeffries. Jeff, we were waiting on these. Aren't they shiny? Bloody tail shafts. Now they're back. They got back yesterday. Now they're back. We can punch on and finish the 2H conversion. It used to be a H, now it's a 2H. We're going to finish this one. We're rotating. This one's been here for a while. We took it off the hoist, half done. We've threw another one on the hoist. They're ready to go again. So basically a roadworthy on the old Troopy. Mr Landcruiser yard. This one's been here a while. We've done the 12HT conversion. Done. Now, we've mocked up a brand new roof. It's at the trimmer now. It's been painted. It's at the trimmer. And so we're going to replace some of the cosmetic stuff that needs to be done for roadworthies. The car builders has been done. We're going to make this a bit of a sleeper. Beautiful interior, things like that. We've taken the old farm gate off because you can still buy brand new ARB bull bars, the old style ones. Hit us up. We'll sell it to you. Recommended retail price, same as everywhere else. Because we get them in as well. There's a bit of a wait, but good news, we can get them. Old Aggie. I think Aggie used to have its own bloody Instagram page. It's got a new owner now. This one's got mainly charge and battery problems, starting problems. So regular, we do all its servicing and look after it. They're already touring in this thing since they've owned it. Now look at this one. This is my new favourite. This one is an FJ40 with a turbo 2H. It's actually a BJ40, sorry. So it used to be the little 4-cylinder diesel. Buddy, let's take a moment to look at it. It's now the 2H Turbo. It's got all the fruit and gear on it. So we're just doing a bit of maintenance on it. A few things need doing. We're going to punch through that. It's half done. The client's given us permission to just go hell for leather and tick everything on his box. Half done, well, nearly fully done. We're refitting, you can't see, but it's in here because we're refitting the interior back in it after all the car builders and the Noble. Have you ever heard anyone say how nice the Noble is in forums? It's the best, or how car builders is the best? MrLandcruiser.com, it's all in the shopping cart. Just dit, and then you can have it yourself, or we can help you install the stuff, but it's multiple things. We've done the rooftop tent. You'll see we'll do a mega walk around on this because it's been here for a long time and we're ticking off boxes as we go, mechanically, electrically, rust proofing the tent. Now the car builders is just tidying up some interior to go, and we're near done. Let's poke inside. G'day, Bluey. Okay, our long term, a full restoration is at the pointy end. We've got a deadline on it. It must go. It must go in a couple of months. We're done. HJ45 Troopy, young fella, 13, is going to be his first car. We're going through some mechanical for him. Then they're going to work on the body, but we're doing the mechanical and it's all going to plan. And then over my shoulder in here is another regular, and we're just punching it out. Good work, Mick. I love your work. We're punching it out. We're near finished there. Things like swivel hubs and that now, but all mechanical, near done. That is this week in the Mr Landcruiser yard. It's stinking hot today, so I hope you enjoy.